Morning, YouTubers. What's up? Today I got a Frost Cutlery camo and pocket knife. I'll remove the belt clip. Pretty good knife, really. Got a little edge on it. Yeah, it looks like the blade's almost 3.5 and 8 inches overall. 4-inch handle. Something about that camo though. By the way, I've had this thing for years. Still works good and still functions fine, holds an edge good. One hand open and closed. Can't beat it. Folks, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Stay warm, stay dry. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you.